Here's a 2016 Audi Q3. This Audi Q3 is perfect for going downtown or getting out of town. It's a nimble, compact crossover with the moves to get through congested streets and highways with ease. Front and rear parking sensors and a rear view camera are standard features on 2016s. The front end was also mildly refreshed for the model year. Features include automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com highlights its quiet and comfortable ride, upscale interior, and many luxury features come standard. Why this Audi Q3? 3 Qs come to mind: quick as in a turbocharged engine, quality as in the style and build, and quantity as in an abundance of features. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.